In this video, I'm going to show you how to uninstall Microsoft Office from your PC in Windows 10 or 11. So first, open up Control Panel, click on Programs and Features, and over here, just click on any item and type in M. This will sort the list for Microsoft. Look for Microsoft 365 Apps for Enterprise. Right-click and then Uninstall. Continue, and then click Yes. And this will run the uninstaller for Microsoft. Just click uninstall and just wait for the uninstallation. It can take a couple of minutes. And once it's done uninstalling, you'll see this message right here. You can click close, and once you try to search for your Office apps like Excel or Word, you won't be able to find them. And yeah, it's completely uninstalled now. If you found this video helpful, please don't forget to like and subscribe.